In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel Trello subscription tutorial, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Trello to cancel a paid plan for a specific workspace, what to expect after you cancel, and a few tips to avoid surprises. First, sign into your Trello account. Use a desktop browser for the smoothest experience, especially if you manage billing. If you have more than one account, double-check you're in the right one before you proceed. Next, click the Trello logo in the top header to jump to the home screen. This is a quick way to reset your view and make sure you see all your workspaces. If you're currently viewing a board, that logo takes you back to the main hub where the billing options are easier to find. Now, choose the workspace whose plan you want to cancel. Trello subscriptions apply at the workspace level, not per individual board, so it's important you select the correct one. If you manage multiple workspaces, look for the workspace switcher in the sidebar or header. You'll need to be a workspace admin to access billing and make changes. Open the workspace's billing section. You might reach it through workspace settings first, then billing, depending on your layout. If you don't see billing, you likely don't have admin permissions, and you'll need an admin to proceed. Give the page a moment to load, especially if there are many members or past invoices. Scroll through the billing page and locate the Cancel option, then click Cancel. Sometimes it's labeled Cancel Plan or similar. You're canceling the paid plan for this workspace only. Other workspaces you manage won't be affected. Before you confirm, take note of the next renewal date and any seat changes, as these can influence your final billing. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. Trello may ask for a reason or show you what changes to expect. After you confirm, your plan remains active until the end of your current billing cycle, and you won't be charged again for that workspace after the renewal date. Your boards and data stay intact, but once the cycle ends, features tied to the paid plan will revert to the free tier limits. If you rely on advanced features, consider exporting important information before the downgrade takes effect. You should receive a confirmation in your account and usually by email as well. That's it. Sign in, go home, open the right workspace, head to billing, click cancel, and confirm. Pause the video as needed while you complete each step, and you'll be done in just a few minutes.